This is an adult channel. In this video, we're going to compare the Hallmark bird of prey ornament with the Eaglemoss bird of prey. Now, my ornaments broke off here. I just got to glue it back together. But let's take a look at the differences between these, because the ornaments are pretty great, and they have lights. So they're about the same size, though the Eaglemoss is slightly smaller. And the Eaglemoss, as you can see, has a better paint job. Different layers of paint. But the Hallmark, you can see right there, it has some markings there that the Eaglemoss doesn't. The big difference in these two is the butt. The details are dramatically different. And let's take a look at the underside. Now, those paint apps on the Eaglemoss are pretty darn good. They're pretty darn good. And the details are quite a bit different. Even the guns, you can see how different they are. Even the neck details are quite a bit different. Take a look at the heads. There's a huge difference there. Being they're the same size, I don't need two of them, so I may get rid of one of them. Eaglemoss wins in the paint category, I think. Of course, this is with the wings up position, or middle position. But of course, this Hallmark ornament lights up. So, which one would you rather have? I just got a hook to a 9-volt battery. Different Hallmark ornaments have different needs as far as electricity. And to get this hanger brass piece out, it just pulls out, or no, I should say it twists out. Get you a pair of pliers, and I'll show you what it looks like up close. I twisted it counterclockwise, and it's twisted right on out and then pulled out. And you can see the hole there. In fact, I could probably put it back in if I wanted to. I don't want to, because I'm going to make a stand and stick the wire down through the stand, and then hook it to some batteries for a display instead of hanging on a Christmas tree. So let's measure it. and it is about 4 inches 20 centimeters for the Hallmark, and for the Eaglemoss about 3.5 inches. So this equals out to be about, well, depending on which bird of prey that you want to take into consideration, which my favorite bird of prey, and the one I choose, is the one from well, the small one, I'll put it that way, the small one, which it changed sizes even in the Voyage Home. It changed sizes throughout that movie, but it had a crew of 12, so that's the one I'm choosing. And that equals out to a scale of about 1100, 1/1100, which is close to 1/1000, which is a popular scale for a lot of ships. Actually, the Diamond Select Excelsior is 1/1000. So this would go good with the Excelsior. And I have the model kits for the, in fact, I have a dish. This is the 1/1000 refit dish. And as you can see, that's about right. From the, which movie was it? The Search for Spock. So, yeah. And of course, this one's, you know, close. It would probably be maybe 1/1500. I'm guessing 1/1300. I'll have to do the math on that one, but that's not too far from it either. But these Hallmark ornaments are pretty awesome. How would you get lights in one of these little bitty model kits? It would be exceptionally hard. They're already put in by Hallmark. The detail's not too bad. So, yeah. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.